And once you finish installing this plug-and-play remote start kit on this Lexus NX300, all you have to do is press the lock button 3 times. Just like that. And here you go, the car is running. Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to install MyKey Premium Remote Start. I'm working on this Lexus NX300. It is suitable for 2015 to 2021 models. This product is 100% plug and play. You don't need to cut any wires, and it works with your original key. Now, let me show you how to install it. In this package, you're going to get a set of wires. It's a T-harness and a module. And for this installation, all you need is a Phillips screwdriver. So now we're going to be taking this panel out. For that, we need to turn the wheel and unscrew this screw right here. Same thing on the other side. Turn the wheel. Second screw is out, and now the last one from underneath here. And the last one is out. And now just simply to remove this panel, you squeeze on the sides just like that, and also on your other side, do the same thing. Lift it up. And it's out. And now we're going to be putting this box to the side, and to move this we need to press this little pin and pull it down. All we're doing is we're just pressing this and pulling the box down. Now put it to the side, and now we're going to be removing this black connector with a white sticker. So put this white box to the side a little bit and unplug the connector, just like that. And all we're doing is we were pressing this little pin and pulling the connector out. And now we're going to be connecting it to the T-harness. So we'll take the first connector, plug it into the black connector, just like that. Make sure it's all the way in and make sure you hear the click. And this connector will go back into your car's plug. Just like that. Make sure it clicks. Now you have these connectors. We're going to run it all the way through here and catch it from the bottom. Just like that. Make sure nothing is on the way here. When you do close it, to put this back, you simply hook it up to the metal frame and let it click. Just like that. And now you have this connector left, and we're going to be unplugging one connector from here, plug it back in here, and it goes back into your cars. Same idea. And now we're going to be disconnecting this connector right here, right in the middle. Just like that. All we're doing is we're pressing this pin and pulling the connector out. Just like that. And the other side of the connector will go back into your car's plug. So now we have these two connectors. The first thing we'll do is we're going to press this button, hold it. We're going to plug the black connector first. Just like that. It's going to start flashing. Let go. And now we're ready to connect the last connector. Just like that. Now I'm going to press the push button 2 times. And now this light will turn to green. There you go. Now we're ready to go. And before we put everything back together, make sure everything works as it should. And then you could simply use a zip tie to hook it up to any of the harnesses up there, so it's not wobbling around. And once you finish the installation, all you have to do is press the lock button 3 times. Make sure it's not too slow and not too fast. And here you go, the car's running. And also a quick note, if you want to shut it off, it's the same thing. Press the lock button 3 times. And once you're inside the car shuts off, which is totally fine. Now the car is nice and cool, or nice and warm, depending on the weather. And all you have to do is press the push button again, put in drive, and you're good to go. And now you already have a Nice, cool air coming out from the car. And if you wonder what will happen if somebody breaks through your window while the car is remotely started, let me show you. So I'm going to start the car. The key is outside. Here you go, the car is running. The wheel is locked. And as soon as I press the brake pedal, the car shuts off. And in case if it didn't work, here's a couple things to follow. First, when you do remote start it, make sure you remote start by pressing the lock button 3 times and you hear the beeping sound from the car. You have to hear 3 beeping sounds. And another thing is, make sure all your doors are closed completely. If it's one of the doors are going to be slightly opened, it's not going to work. And another thing is, if it still doesn't work, uninstall everything, every connector unplug from your car, and then install it again, and that usually does the trick. And if it still doesn't work, please reach out to MyKey Premium support. It's support@mykeypremium.com. Guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope this video helped. Leave a comment down below if you use this video to install it in your Lexus NX300. Thank you guys. Bye.